What is going on, guys? My name is Nicholas Burton here at Data Dash, and today is July 20th of 2017. So, again, when I ever make a wrong call, or at least was definitely not expecting something that ends up happening, I gotta tell you all, I'm sorry. I was wrong in a sense for making the certain call that I made. I had predicted that we were going to see a downturn yesterday, and I was overtly confident after I made my video as I was going to work, and I saw the recent news that Ethereum had lost $32 million, dollars, or at least someone hacked $32 million dollars from a multi-sig wallet. But nonetheless, guys, I was relatively wrong. We got a pretty good pump up this morning. Then again, on a technical standpoint, I was pretty confident saying what I said because there is literally no way no one could have predicted this off of price action. And what happened was, and you can just see it was a change in volume. There's obviously some big players coming in. And I think this came out of recent news. I've been kind of trying to look around to see what really pumped it up. But I think there was recent updates to Bitcoin's technology that have been helping and providing support for future adoption. So I can't get into specifics, guys. I don't really know enough about it and stuff. But that being said, on a fundamental standpoint, some things seem to have changed for Bitcoin for the better. And if we look here on the chart, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. I think it's necessary. We were inching. If only my hourly chart would show me my prices. There we go. It was inching around, almost going all the way to 2,700. But however, it seems like we're getting a little of a necessary pullback after this crazy run up. Nonetheless, I think the next buy point you guys could look for, because it's going to go up pretty quick, is the 50 hour. I think that would be good. You might want to start adding now. I really don't know where this could be going, guys, because this looks, if we look in the daily, this is a pretty big jump up. It's pretty much more than the previous bump day where we got a 15.3% return. It's up to 15.38%. That's funny. But yeah, so I mean, it looks like the wicks is kind of going down, guys, and it looks like we're going to get a little bit of a pullback. However, I wouldn't wait too long, but I hope you at least added half of your necessary position. That's kind of what I was recommending, just in case if we had something like this happen. But that being said, guys, I take not on your personal investing. That, like I've always said, that's your guys' business. But that being said, I will take personal responsibility in thinking that it was going to go down. It's just, guys, there's no way you can predict stuff like this. And that's why we always play both ways. We say, if something else happens, we'll do, solution one. If this happens, we'll do solution two. That being said, you never know where the market is going to go, guys. You look at the volume, it was just an instant transition on the hourly. So volume just started pouring in. That being said, I'm going to wait a little bit here. I'm waiting till we can get like pull back to around the 2,500 area, and I'm going to add my first half position on Bitcoin. But yeah, we still got a little bit of ways to go until I can do that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at CoinMarketCap.com. So if we look here on the 7-day, we are tethering. Actually, let me do the month real quick. So we're tethering a little bit above this. So we've kind of broken this resistance. I would say a good billion to 2 billion. The next level somewhere around 93 to 94 billion. I don't know, guys. If you get Ethereum has not been moving as anticipated as the other ones. Let me go to the daily here. Yeah, it's on the sense of a comparative to Bitcoin. Now, in USD value, yeah, it's probably gone up. But on the sense of Bitcoin, it hasn't been going up. And that's because of the news yesterday. And rightfully so. The news is pretty bad, and I think Ethereum needs to be a little bit... There's a little bit of fudding that's essential in this time of Ethereum. So, I mean, you can get Ethereum at a nice discount, which is kind of nice if you still think it's cheap here. Guys, I'm telling you, I really just feel like Ethereum needs to come down and touch the 200-day. A lot of these coins need to come down and touch the 200-day. There is optimism in these markets, but we haven't hit August yet, guys. I still think there's something that feels very eerie about this. That's all I'm going to say. But that being said, it looks like there's a little bit of confidence coming back into the market. So, oops, I didn't mean to go to the 2 hour, my bad. So yeah, we're just gonna, approach it how you will, guys. I don't want to give too much advice here. Like I said, in my opinion, I'm gonna start adding my first partial ownership in Bitcoin in the next probably few hours or so, and I can get a nice discount on the price. I do not want to buy it at these highs, and then it turned out to be a dead cat bounce, which is eerily on the same sense of being a bull trap, but it's something that they kind of coexist in technical analysis, in the sense of being these events that provide, oh look, you're gonna be too late to get in, it's gonna keep on rallying, and then it turns back over, and you lose a lot of money, or at least you're in the red for a while until you wait for it to come back. I'm just gonna be patient, guys. The buy walls aren't that big right now. Yeah, they don't look anything that I should be worried about, and the sell side looks pretty even with it. So I'm gonna be patient with it, guys. No rush to get in. That being said, though, definitely a shocker. Altcoins, if we go take a look at that, have actually not moved up that much. If we go to, well, they have definitely off their bottom, but from 30 to 47 billion. So pretty much since we last talked on, I guess, yeah, it really hasn't moved up as much as, say Bitcoin and stuff like that, where it's just been like crazy. But yeah, we'll just have to see. Not much technical analysis I can do right now, guys, to be honest with you. It really is just looking to see if you can get one of these, it to come down and pull back one of these moving averages. Who knows? Anything can happen. We could, have some terrible news come out, much like we did with Ethereum yesterday, and Bitcoin could crash and lose all of its daily returns. And that would look very bad on the chart if it did something like that. Or even if you have, let's say, for example, a green candle. Let me go back here real quick. As you can see, the wicks is getting a little bit bigger when we had a little overhyped price action. If it were to come down and close below the 50-day, that's something I would tell you guys about. If we pull back down to 2,500 and go below the 50-day, that shows you that this is most likely a dead cat bounce. Just on a technical standpoint, that's what I get out of it. So, anyways, guys, I think I'm just going to end it right there. If you guys have anything you want me to cover in particular in these times of crazy price action and cryptocurrencies, you let me know. I'll be right here ready to make videos for you guys. Anyways, I'll talk to you on the next video, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys.